We have this very cute little Taba too. Then we have this Taba from Five Below. I would take it out, but it's so sticky. I'll just show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's super sticky, and I'm not gonna take it out because I don't wanna like kind of like make a mess or whatever. I just organized it yesterday. I just ruined it all, but it's fine. And then we've got this very cute like water squishy. It's like supposed to be cookies and cream. We've got this figure like Stitch, has purple stars in it for Purple Stars of 2. Tell me if you guys love Purple Stars of 2 too. Then we've got this very cute blue rhino. We have this World's Smallest Nido. I'll show you where it says Nido. It's hard to see, and there's like a little hair on it. Oops, ew, that's disgusting. Anyways, it says World's Smallest Nido. That's the box. It kind of got destroyed. I don't know why I say the boxes. I just like to. Tell me if you guys do too. Well, this Mushikins Taba. Very cute. I like it looks like a little milk carton. I love it so much. And then we have these little two like cats. This is Little Chubby Penguin Cat Jr. and this is Little Chubby Dino Cat. And then we have this Taba Jelly from Five Below too. It's very good. And yeah, that's for that. But we still have this is stuff I got from Walmart yesterday. The big shark gorilla. Listen to it. So good ASMR, bro. Okay, this I already had, so I got another one because I'm just obsessed with the cheeses. I got another cheese. It's really nice. I got a Sandy Stitch. And it's also kind of stretchy. Then I got dumplings. I got the same color, but it's okay. This one's a very cute yellow. It smells so good too. I literally got all this from Walmart. Like the stuff I'm showing you, from the gorilla to the Stitch, the dumpling, that was literally, and the cheese, that was all from Walmart. It's very crazy. And then I got another one. I like to save the wrappers so they look brand new, but they're really not. But it's okay. And then I got another yellow. If you saw me open them yesterday, my short I made. They smell so good. But yeah, those are all my squishies. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Subscribe for a cookie. Like and subscribe. Bye. Go say good to subscribers by the end of summer. Bye. Have a great day. Dumplings.